The admin abuse has just started in Slime R&D, and we're having an admin abuse spin. So let's see what we get. 16x luck, that's really good. I hope we can get something good. And this is just a fruit. I only like me. It's okay. What do we get? Mutation luck times 4. That's good. That's pretty good. Okay, another admin abuse spin. Let's see what we get. Enemy mutation times 10. Oh, another one. But I don't really know if that's good. Well, it is good, but I don't know how good it is. Okay. What does everyone want? I want jackpot spins. Slime damage times 16. That's really good. Because my best slime only does 24,000. And my whole team does 51,000 damage. Another one. There are so many. And now we're getting a slime. Not bad. Loot drop times 4. That's good. Yeah, but that doesn't make my team. Which is sad. Bonus? No. Oh my god, there is so much food. There is so much food, bro. Okay, now we can get Fireball 4, which is good. And another admin abuse spin. There are so many admin abuse spins. Please jackpot spin, please jackpot spin, or luck. Magician fruit, that's good. Okay, now we're getting the magician fruit. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna pick it up. Because it's the second best fruit in the game. And then... no, I need 2 more. Another one again. A jackpot spin, let's go. Let's go. W. Okay, what do we get? What do we get? Is there any trillions? Is there any trillions? No, there's not, but there are some good ones, and I why? Why? I don't know what I don't know what that was, but oh my god, I got a jackpot spin. I'm gonna wait until there's more luck, so I can be lucky when I do my jackpot spin, so I get good stuff. Okay, what do we get? 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 Coins times 8. That's real. That's what? That's really good, because I need to unlock new zones. Oh. Now we can go on top of this thing. Okay, what do we get? What the freak? What? 2 million, I have to do it now. Wait. Pause the auto rolls. The jackpot's been big and the shiny. Okay. Let's do it. Bonus. Okay. Please. Man, why? I have the worst luck, I swear. I have the worst luck. +2 roll columns. Let's go. Okay, another one. Okay, what do you get? 8x luck. Not the best. Not the worst. Yeah, +2 roll columns is massive. I can upgrade. But what is it that I can upgrade? It says that I can upgrade, but I don't know what it is. Oh, epic luck. Yes, we need more goo because I need a lot to rebirth. I have 10 rebirth. Yeah, more luck is also good. Yes. Jackpot spins. Are my favorite. Three, 2, 1. Let's go. 20s. Let's go. Let's go. Group 4. X4 times 4. Yeah. Okay, another spin. Yes, you can rebirth a lot faster now, but not super much faster. Just a little bit. A big dice. A big ninja. Wow, that actually sucks. Lightning fruit. It's still good. Okay, let me go take this lightning fruit. And what do we get? 4x clover luck, let's go. Holy, 16x, 34x, 64x, 12, and I get the worst thing possible. I'm telling you, I have the worst luck. have the worst luck. What? Oh no, if I get the freaking worst thing again. Jackpot spin, jackpot spin. Let's go, jackpot spin. Yes. What do you get? Please, please. I'm gonna cry. There was 9 trillion. I'm gonna cry. Okay, well, what do we get on this admin abuse spin? Let's see. Feeding XP times 4. That's good. That is good. Yes, I have to feed this thing. Okay, wait, let me see what we get from the admin abuse. Jackpot spin, no. 24x luck. Let's go. What? Okay, what do you want next? I don't know. Okay, what do we get? Roll speed 3x. Let's go. And if I take a roll speed boost, holy, I am rolling so freaking fast. So freaking fast. Next spin in 30 seconds. Okay. Yeah, this is insane. Oh, yes. Big slime. Oh, bye. Why? Used to why? Quick roads. And another admin abuse spin. Let's go. There's so many admin abuse spin. Like holy. It takes coins. Not the best thing, but not the worst thing. Another. Let's go. Oh my god. That's really good. Yep, I'm one-shotting everything. I want to get a thing better than 1 in a 67 billion. And this is just a power fruit, which is a lightning fruit. The worst fruit. Okay, let's get it. And what do we get? What do we get? What do we get? 6x goob. Let's go. And I keep getting slammed, so I can't do anything, but it's good that... And another one of these things. Another ember. So annoying. And I'm gonna get another one. Exactly. No. It wasn't. It was a shiny pokey. Okay, let's feed the... Wait. What? More upgrades? Oh, I maxed out it. Let's go. I maxed it out. Wait. How do I have that much? How do I have that much money? What? Holy. I'm gonna get galaxy rolls. And then I'm gonna buy next zones and next zone. And then I'm gonna teleport, and then we're gonna get the shiny dice. So many shinies in global. Yep. That looks lucky. Let's go. And we can afford the graveyard. And there is like a what's it called, recipe here. Oh, here, I found it. Please don't be another ember, because I'm gonna crash. Okay, good. It's a shiny pokey. Okay, but let's claim the recipe. And so now we have the recipe. And let's see what it is. What is... I think it's... Yeah, it's the melee thing, I think. Okay, let's see what we get. +1 roll column. Let's go. Nope, I have still not gotten a new rarest. I have not. New spin in 30 seconds. Okay, let's see what we get from that. Can't wait doing it now, lol. Okay, let's see what we get. Slime health times 10. Okay, that's good. Wait, did I say that was good? I think I did. I mean, it doesn't really matter because it's just the slime just go away and heal and then come back. Ice fruit. Okay. We're getting an ice fruit. We can do better than that, come on. Okay, another one. They're going crazy. They're actually going crazy. Wait, what's the new update? I guess there is no new update. The jackpot spin, let's go. Come on, get something good. Get something good or I'm gonna... What? I thought it was 1 in 39 billion. No, it sucks so much. Loot drops times 8, that's good. Okay, new spin. We're so close. Bonus. Oh my god. 64x can't away. That's so good. That's so good. So freaking good. Roll speed times 2.5x. This admin abuse has been crazy. Yeah, it has been really crazy. Next in 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Times 10x lock, which really sucks. Broken what? 7 billion is not good. We need 1 trillion. Mutation locks times 6. I don't think it's mutation luck. Because I'm just getting the regular versions. I have not got a single mutation. There, finally. New spin now. Okay, what do we get? 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 What? Feeding XP times 2. Not so good. What do we get? What do we get? What do we get? 2 plus roll columns. Let's go. I have 3 roll columns now. If we get a jackpot spin, I will get 3 jackpot spins, which is gonna be crazy. Please, 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 please. Jackpot spin, please, jackpot spin, jackpot spin, jackpot spin, jackpot spin. Jackpot spin, jackpot spin, jackpot spin. Come on, bro, come on, come on. This is not good. Sheesh, another fruit, pick it up. Oh my god. Could we just get something good? Like a jackpot spin right now would be really good. Jackpot spin, jackpot spin, jackpot spin, jackpot spin, jackpot spin, please. Please, jackpot spin, please, jackpot spin. Jackpot spin, jackpot spin. Why? 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 That's not nice. That's really bad. That's really bad. That's really bad, actually. That's really bad. That's honestly super bad. What do you want? I want jackpot spins. But now we don't have multiple spins, so I want multiple spins at a time. I want 3 spins at a time. So then a jackpot spin comes and then I get 3 jackpot spins. But it would still be good if I got a jackpot spin, which I'm not getting. I'm getting a freaking shiny dice. Oh, bro. Okay, please, Clover Luck times 2. Yep. Now I'm just gonna get clovers. Which is good. It's good if I only get clovers. Another new spin. Jackpot, 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 jackpot. 8x luck. Alright, this was amazing, everyone. I'll do one more. Okay, do one more then. Do it. What do you want? Jackpot spin. Jackpot spin, jackpot spin. Jackpot spin. That is what I want. Last one. Spam in chat. Spam in chat. Okay. Jackpot spin, please. Jackpot spin, please. Jackpot spin, please. Jackpot spin, please. Jack. Yes, yes, yes. Finally. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Yes, no. No, no. No. No, 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 no. That was not good. Alright, you all have 8 days luck for 15 minutes. Thank you all for playing and good luck. Well, I'll see what I'll get with this 8x luck for the next 13 minutes. Oh, what do we get? A 1 in a billion, a big slime. Isn't really so good. Another cutscene. Another big slime. Okay, there's 15 seconds left of the 8x luck, and we didn't get anything good. So I'm gonna end off the video right here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.